Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters vcode of Vit-Ap University. So we'll take a look at a Python topic today. It is dictionaries. So yeah, let's begin with it because it's not very complicated topic, though it is important. But I think I covered it 2 or 3 times on this channel. If you don't know about dictionaries yet, you can just take a look at our previous videos. So I'll just begin with the example today. Okay. So for doing this example, I'll create a dictionary. Let's create an empty dictionary. And one may argue that this is set, not dictionary. So for proving it, it is a dictionary. Let's say we are printing type of A. So you can see it is dictionary, not set. Okay. So let me remove this. So what I'll do, I'll add some data to this dictionary. So for doing that, let's say I'm doing A1 and the value I'm assigning to this is, let's say, 1, and a string type 1. The value I am is 2. And what I'm thinking of doing now is I'm thinking of updating some values. So for doing that, let's say I am updating the value of a of 1. So let's add 1 to this its value. What I'll do now, I'll initialize a for loop and a counter. So let's say counter, value of counter it is equal to 1, and in this for loop, let's say we have a variable I. And what does this for loop do? What does this for loop do? It just adds some data to count, and the data it is equal to the values of A, the data inputs of A. So before doing that, we'll put this count, and now let's print. So you try to figure out what is the output of this code. It is kind of simple problem, not very difficult one. And yes, you have 5 minutes to post the video. Post your answer in the comment section. If we try to run this code, let's see the output. It is coming out to be 2. So how is it happening? Why is it coming out to be 2? Why not 4? Why not some error? So what our code does? So for doing that, let's say, let me comment it out. And let's print A1 and A1 of string type. So you can see it is coming out to be 2. So yeah, the value of A1 it is equal to 2, and the value of A string 1 it is also equal to 2. And look over here, it is not coming out 4 because I am adding 1 to count. So the value of count it is already 0, and the total number of elements present in A it is 2. That's why the value of count it is also equal to 2, and the value of A of 1 and A of string 1 it is also equal to 2. But instead, if I did something like this, then you can see the value of A of I it is coming out to be 4, and the value of A1 it is 2, and the value of A string it is also 2. So what happens is, when we do this, then the value assigned to A of 1 and A of string type 1 it gets added, not this one or this one. It doesn't get added. The values which gets added are this 2 and these 3. So yeah, I hope it was clear to you guys. if you have any doubt, you can just rewind the video, take another look at it. You can also ask us in the comment section if you have any difficulties or problems. And if you face any difficulties in future also, you can just ask us in the WhatsApp groups. You might be there in one of our WhatsApp groups. If not, you can just check out the link in the description. You'll get a link to our WhatsApp groups. It is kind of community where we'll help you, not only us but other students also. They'll help you in your programming questions and all. Yeah, so it is kind of important and useful for you to join our WhatsApp groups. We have like 9 to 10 WhatsApp groups running right now. So you can join one of them. Yeah, if you have any suggestions for us, how can we improve, you can just tell us. We'll take a look at every comment, every single comment. You can just look in the comment section. And until then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.